So for this look, we're gonna make a nose, mouth, a little something on the eyes, and some lashes, and then big hair, and go find something tan. So first, I'm gonna do the nose, and I'm gonna start it off at the tip of my nose. And just follow the curve of my nose. Drag it down to your lip, and we're just gonna fill in. If you have black, sorry, I fixed my little table. If you have black lipstick, you can put black lipstick on. I don't. I'm just using this eyeliner and maybe some shadow, and we're just gonna do our top lip and go over your cupid's bow. Then we're just gonna fill it in. Then I'm gonna set the eyeliner with the Nikita palette again, and the color Nasty. Then I'm gonna go back in the Nikita palette in the color Shape Shifter. It's dirty because I use it all the time. And that is this light brown color right here. Just gonna do a nice neutral eye. Sorry if my eyebrows look crazy. I washed the last eye look off. So that's why my eyebrows look crazy. Right now, then I'm gonna go in the lighter shade. Augmented. This color right here. I know I'm kind of hopping all over the place, like girl, why I didn't finish my nose, and then I hop from the nose to the lip and now to my eye. But this is how my mind works. I'm sorry. It's chaotic. And then I'm gonna go into NYX from the inner corner. then we're gonna get our trusty dusty eyeliner. We'll make like some, I don't know, like cat eyes.
Skin, brown skin,
Okay,
skin that is beautiful, with formulas that consider your uniqueness. So you can reveal your best looking skin. See me. Put the focus on you, not your dark spots.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this little.
Finally, I can experience a humiliating loss to a 13-year-old without lagging out.
Finally, we can flawlessly live stream our amazing live stream.
I'm gonna take this Color Pop.
Do what cable can't with Frontier's 500 meg fiber optic internet.
Yeah, this
just
Color Pop
$49.99 per month,
is
plus a Visa reward
Sweet
card
Talk
on us.
palette and use some pink for my lips. So I'm gonna use. Don't mind the digged out glitters because that's my daughter. But I'm gonna use this one, Meadow. Put it around my nose.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said it to my heart.
It's more of an orangey color. But
I fall for every time I try to resist. You get away. I'm trees, beach, you and everything. All I wanna do is end up this already. Right next to you. You do. Try not to show. I feel like you. You wish you were. Don't really want. I just wanna get away. Stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
the Nikita palette.
I want to run
Brush, put it back in nasty. And the Nikita Then I'm just clean up this little fallout. Dust that lighter shade that we put on the top of our eye at the bridge of our nose. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. I forgot to come back, but I have a picture of this line look, and to complete it, you could wear a tan with some ears. Thank you for watching.